So the first fuse box would be right in here. It's under the steering wheel. Usually there's something here, but this car is missing one. You just pull it probably and take it off. And then I'll show you a second one. Let's open the hood. So here we are. We open the hood. To open the hood, there's this latch. You have to reach in and go like this to open it. So it's right here. Push this button, comes on, and the information is right here. You need it. So that's the second fuse box and few relays. So this goes back. You just push it, make sure it's closed.